In this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach two palm cameras to the Leap Hand V2 Advanced. This is how the Leap Hand V2 Advanced looks, and we'll be attaching the cameras right here, one on either side of the hand. So, since this is a left hand, we should have the left thumb and left pinky camera mounts, and we'll begin by mounting the camera mounts to the hand. You'll need 4 M2.5 by 12 millimeter screws, and basically what we'll do is use the two holes on the camera mount and line them up with the two holes on the robot hand and screw it in. And note that the thumb side goes on the thumb and the pinky side goes on the pinky. Okay, so now once we have the camera mounts mounted on the hand, we can start to mount the cameras. So grab one of your cameras, and basically we want to position it such that the white connector points towards the outside of the hand. So in this case it points to the left. And place it down, and we're going to use 4 M2.5 by 4 millimeter screws to bolt this in. Okay, now that we have one camera bolted, we just repeat the process for the other side. And for this side, again, we want the white connector to be pointing towards the outside. And just like that, we're done.